Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about a topic that a lot of you have been asking about. What time does Regions Bank process ACH deposits? Before I get into the specifics, I want to take a moment to talk about what ACH deposits are. ACH stands for Automated Clearing House. It's a system that allows you to transfer money electronically between banks. ACH deposits are also known as direct deposits. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's get into the meat of the matter. What time does Regions Bank process ACH deposits? The answer to this question is not as simple as you might think. The time at which Regions Bank processes ACH deposits varies depending on a number of factors, including the type of account you have, the day of the week, the time of day that the deposit is made. In general, Regions Bank processes ACH deposits during the business day, which is typically from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. However, there are a few exceptions to this rule. If you have a business account, your ACH deposits may be processed earlier in the day. This is because businesses typically have larger volumes of ACH deposits than individuals. If you make an ACH deposit on a weekend or holiday, your deposit will not be processed until the next business day. How can I track the status of my ACH deposit? There are a few ways to track the status of your ACH deposit. One way is to log into your online banking account. You can usually see the status of your ACH deposits in your transaction history. Another way to track the status of your ACH deposit is to call Regions Bank customer service. You can reach them at 1-800-REGIONS 734-4667. What can I do if my ACH deposit is delayed? If your ACH deposit is delayed, there are a few things you can do. First, you can check the status of your deposit using one of the methods I mentioned above. If your deposit is still delayed, you can contact Regions Bank customer service. They can help you determine the reason for the delay and resolve the issue. Tips for making ACH deposits to Regions Bank. Here are a few tips for making ACH deposits to Regions Bank. Make sure that you have the correct routing number and account number for the recipient. Make sure that you have enough funds in your account to cover the deposit. Allow enough time for your deposit to process. It can take up to 3 business days for an ACH deposit to clear. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. In addition to the information I've provided in this video, I would also like to add that Regions Bank offers a number of different ACH deposit options. You can choose to make a one-time ACH deposit, or you can set up a recurring ACH deposit. You can also choose to have your ACH deposit credited to your checking account or your savings account. I would also like to remind you that there are fees associated with making ACH deposits. The fees vary depending on the type of account you have and the amount of the deposit. I would encourage you to review the Regions Bank website for more information about ACH deposits. If you're considering making an ACH deposit to Regions Bank, I encourage you to do your research and make sure that you understand the fees and other terms and conditions associated with this type of transaction. Thanks for watching.